Are you eating healthy wheat every day, but your PCOS symptoms are still not improving? Irregular periods, weight gain, bloating, acne. What if wheat is silently aggravating your hormones? Hi, this is Dr. Arunabha and welcome back to Ayurvedic Essence, where we understand disease from the root, not with just the reports. Today, let's talk about something very common but a very misunderstood. How wheat affects PCOS according to Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, PCOS is mainly a disorder of Kapha-dosh, along with Agni, that means a low digestive fire, and Aama or toxic metabolic. Now, wheat or Godhuma is described as heavy, oily, Kapha-vardhak, which means it increases your kapha dose. This means wheat is not bad, but it's heavy to digest, especially for women who have already weight gain, insulin resistance, bloating, irregular cycle. When digestion is weak, wheat can increase Aama, block your channels, and worsen hormonal imbalance. That's why many PCOS patients say, Doctor, I eat roti daily, but I feel heavy, bloated, and stuck. From an Ayurvedic perspective, it's not just what you eat, but whether your digestive fire can digest it or not. Another important point, modern wheat is very different from ancient wheat. Refined wheat products like maida, bakery items, noodles, processed bread, these severely aggravate kapha and insulin resistance, which directly worsens PCOS. So does that mean all PCOS patients must stop wheat completely? No. Ayurveda is never extreme. If you are lean PCOS, very active, having strong digestion, small quantities of whole wheat, preferably fresh, warm, eaten during daytime can be tolerated. But if you are overweight, having cravings, facing delayed periods or cystic ovaries, then reducing wheat for few months and switching to barley, red rice significantly improves symptoms. Remember, PCOS is reversible when digestion improves, and digestion improves when diet suits your dose. So, if you are struggling with PCOS and still eating wheat daily without results, don't blame your hormones. Just check your digestive fire. If you found this video helpful, like, share with someone who needs this clarity, and subscribe to Ayurvedic Essence for more authentic root cause healing. This is Dr. Arunabha. See you in the next video. Stay balanced, stay aware.